as they cover the Rocky Horror Picture Show. But up first, Leah does The Sound of Music.
Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kittens.
It's not just Leah. She duets with Julie Andrews.
Brown paper packages tied up in strings. These are a few of my favorite things.
Julie joins in thanks to her performance in the classic film, now marking its 45th anniversary.
Wild geese that fly with the moon on their wings. These are a few of my favorite things.
On November 2nd, a special Blu-ray edition of The Sound of Music, winner of 5 Oscars, will be released. And this clip for Dove Hair Care starts airing tomorrow.
I simply remember my favorite things, and then I don't feel so bad.
Also tomorrow, Leah's GQ photos with co-stars Diana Agron and Corey Monteith land on newsstands nationwide. They will cause quite the controversy, but not with Sue Sylvester.
I did see the photo shoot and I thought they looked adorable.
Jane, who joined the rescue train's 5th annual Race for the Rescues over the weekend, did have one problem.
Corey didn't have enough off as far as I was concerned.